Good day, we are Team 6 and we present our project. Our work aims to promote the responsible use of organic waste by transforming it into a valuable resource for soil care and pollution reduction. This initiative is linked to SDG 13, Climate Action, and SDG 15, Life on Land, as it promotes local solutions that benefit the environment.
Furthermore, our project will be focused on the household waste management, which is a topic that must concern all of us.
The main problem with this issue is the accumulation of organic waste in landfills, which generates pollution, bad odors, and greenhouse gas emissions, such as methane. In Mexico, less than 10% of waste is recycled and most organic matter is not used, which is a missed opportunity to transform it into useful resources, such as renewable energy or natural fertilizers. Our justification is that the use of organic waste through composting offers a practical and sustainable solution. It helps reduce pollution and produce natural fertilizers, while promoting environmental awareness and the circular economy in communities and schools.
This prototype is a 6-liter household composter, designed from an opaque plastic container with strategic perforations for ventilation and drainage. Its operation relies on alternating layers of organic materials: green residues rich in nitrogen, brown materials with high carbon content, and a small amount of soil or mature compost as an inoculum. Proper maintenance requires monitoring moisture and aeration through periodic mixing. Within approximately 2 to 4 months, the system yields stabilized compost, characterized by a homogeneous texture and a forest-like, fertile smell.
This project proposes a simple composting prototype to reduce organic waste. Built with low-cost materials like recycled pallets or plastic containers, it transforms fruit scraps, dry leaves, and garden residues into natural fertilizer through basic control of aeration and moisture. The system is easy to replicate at home, in schools, or in communities, making it both practical and educational. In the short term, it provides quality compost for urban gardens while reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. In the future, the design can be adapted into small biodigesters to capture gases and produce renewable biogas. With its simplicity and accessibility, this prototype shows how small-scale technology can contribute to waste reduction, soil regeneration, and community sustainability.
Materials and procedures. First of all, we need 2 types of ingredients. Greens. This is our kitchen fuel. For example, fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and tea bags. Browns. This is our bedding, like dry leaves, shredded cardboard, or egg cartons. They soak up moisture and keep everything airy. Now, here it is, the simple 3-steps process. First, the setup. Take your recipient, in this case we will use a 6 liters bottle, and poke a bunch of small holes in the top, sides, and bottom for airflow. If it is clear, you must slip it inside a black trash bag or a box to keep it dark. Painting with black the bottle can be also useful. Second, layer it up. You will make layers of 3 to 4 centimeters depth, starting with a layer of browns at the bottom, then a layer of kitchen greens, and repeat these layers until there are only 5 centimeters left to the top of the bottle. Third, the maintenance. Once a week, give the bottle a shake or stir it with a stick to mix in air. And like this, in 2 to 4 months you will have a homemade compost. Quick do not do list. Avoid adding citrus, onion, meat, dairy, and cooked food to the compost. Now, let's move on to the analysis and interpretation of data and variables. The key variables are the amount of organic waste, the carbon-nitrogen balance, moisture, and time. When these are controlled, the decomposition process is efficient, producing quality compost and even biogas. Our data shows that composting can reduce up to 40 to 50% of household waste, lower pollution, and create natural fertilizer that improves soil health. In short, the interpretation of these variables proves that simple actions, like separating and composting waste, can generate real environmental benefits.